What's up, GNCRC fam? Today we have an unboxing. And what are we unboxing? The Mojave Grom. So let's get right into it. Check it out, guys. This thing is beautiful. Looks a whole lot better in person, and it feels like really heavy. I need to get a weight on this because it feels like it's a whole lot heavier than the other ones, which I expected to be heavier, but not this much heavier. It feels like it's really heavy. So first impressions, body, amazing, beautiful. They did a real good job on this thing. I'm loving the skid plates up top. The tires, I think, no foams, but they feel really good. We'll be testing it out pretty soon, so make sure you stay tuned. So you've seen a lot of people talk about how easy this body is to take off. It is beyond easy. And I mean, it comes off with ease, just like that. Push those two tabs in and pops right off. They did a great job. The chassis is a little bit different, but the same. Make sure you stay tuned because this is not just an unboxing video. We're gonna get some running on this thing as well. But before we do, guys, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Leave a comment and hit the thumbs up, the like button. It's not gonna cost you anything, guys. Thanks in advance. Arrma Mojave Grom. Really, really impressed with this, guys. First, let me say my apologies on the street video because I didn't have one of my settings right on my camera. Still learning my settings on this camera. It's a vlogging cam. It has a product view, so I forgot to turn it off. But as you can see, I recorded the action-packed part with the GoPro, and it never fails. So, guys, if you're doing RC videos, make sure you get a GoPro because it's almost a must. Let me also say, when I was filming on that particular track, I was holding my radio and I was holding the camera at the same time, so the car looked like it's doing okay, but I'm actually moving kind of slow because it's real hard to control it and use that selfie stick along with the GoPro. Nonetheless, this thing is the bomb, guys. I really like it. I really want to go brushless, but I think we're going to be racing these pretty soon. I think these are one of the things we're going to be racing in the fall. As you guys can see, they got that nice outdoor carpet track. They also have a dirt track, which I could run this on there, but I feel like for the jumps on there, it's probably going to need a little bit more power. The first thing you're going to want to do, turn the steering down a little bit. I rolled it a couple times and I actually edited it out of the video. Once you get it dialed out, it does really well. If you notice on the straightaway, when you give it gas, this thing just takes off. That's the one thing I really love about carpet. It puts everything to the ground. All of it, every bit of it to the ground. The one thing I definitely want to do is do an upgraded fan. I'm not a real big fan of the trophy trucks at all, but I really like this. This thing is sick. The paint looks so good, I don't want to change anything. I have a clear body, I just hadn't decided to do it yet. I told this thing a few times, guys, and I would say it took a beating, but my definition of a beating and most people's definition of a beating is going to be two different things. I'm not a basher like some people. Some people really, really bash. They go out, in my mind, with intentions on breaking it. The body held up really well. I'm not going to lie, guys. I did hit the pipe a couple times, but you probably can't even tell. And I turned this thing over a few times and not one scar. And there's a few pieces of pebbles and rocks on there. I had a camera mounted here, so that's why you see that. This thing is like a tank from what I can tell. The look of it, the way the body system is, I don't even know how you explain this. This is just, I mean, just that simple. Put it back on, just like that. They did a phenomenal job on this body. And when I tell you it's really thick, it's really solid, I don't think it gets much better than this. All these other minis out here, they're gonna have to come on with it. This thing, to me, is gonna be about quality. That's what I really like about it. This is my third Arrma vehicle, and I see myself getting more in the future. As of right now, I'm gonna stick with the Grom series because of space and money, of course. These things are literally a handful of fun. And I hope I was able to persuade some of you guys to grab one of these because it's well worth it. Until next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.